The Mahindra XEV9e. Dynamic design, thrilling performance, and engineered for the electric era.
But just how quick is it when it comes to charging? Let's break it down.
The XEV9e is available in two battery options,
59 kWh and 79 kWh.
For the 79 kWh pack,
Using an 11 kW AC charger, a full charge from 0 to 100% takes around 8 hours. On a 7.5 kW AC connection, it takes close to 11 hours. But when you plug into a DC fast charger, approximately 175 kW, you can charge from 20% to 80% in just 20 minutes. For the 59 kWh pack with an 11 kW AC charger, you will go from 0 to 100% in about 6 hours. On a 7.5 kW AC connection, it takes roughly 8.7 hours. And again, DC fast charging, approximately 175 kW, will take you from 20% to 80% in just 20 minutes. If you are planning to use an 11 kW charger, ensure you have a 3-phase connection. It's essential to get the most efficient power delivery.
To keep up with the XEV9e's performance, Zevpoint offers a range of portable and wall-mounted chargers tailored to your needs.
If prefer a portable setup, the Avio X1 brings 11 kW in a compact portable form. For a single-phase homes, the portable Avio Pro 7.5 kW or 7.5 kW fits perfectly. And if you prefer the mobile app features, go for the Avio Pro. If prefer a fixed setup for higher convenience and more control over charging experience, choose Polar X1 11 kW or Polar Pro 7 kW. And if you prefer the most advanced version with home and commercial application, go for the Duo series. So whether you choose the 59 kWh or 79 kWh XEV9e, pick the Zevpoint charger that aligns with your power setup and lifestyle. 11 kW if available, 7 kW if preferred, and stay powered for every journey ahead.